Hi, this is Chris and welcome to Winemaker TV. If you like wine, you like mead, you like cider, you want to learn how to make it for yourself, this is the place for you. Today we'll be finishing up and bottling a cider that I made, getting all the equipment, all the ingredients straight from Walmart. Beginner cider, so stay tuned. All right, this is a cider that I made about a month ago. This is made with everything that I got from Walmart, so you could do it at home. If you need to know how this is done, there will be a card coming down. This is a bottling bucket I made from a bucket that I got from Walmart, and the spout I got from a local homebrew shop, but you can get it on Amazon, and there will be an affiliate link in the description below. This is a rack and cane I got off of Amazon, and if you need one, there will be an affiliate link in the description below. My bottling bucket is at my feet here. You want your source higher than your destination, so we're going to take this balloon off, and you want to siphon all this and leave all the raisins behind and the lees. That is what is called, the sediment on the bottom is called a lees. So this siphon will siphon all the good stuff while leaving all the bad stuff. So all you got to do is give it a few pumps and let it do its thing. And when you do this, make sure your spigot valve is off. If not, you will make a big mess in the floor and your wife will not be happy with you. So we're going to let this do its thing, and we'll be right back. Okay, while you're at Walmart or any other store that may sell adult beverages, go ahead and pick you up 2 to 3 of these Grolsch premium lagers. It's premium. So these, you can enjoy your lager, your beer, but save them and rinse them out. So this is what we're going to use to bottle with. So we're going to do what they call priming them today. So I got, so this will take about 8 to 10 bottles. So I have others over here. So we're going to prime these, and which means I'm going to add 1/2 tablespoon of sugar to each of these. And we do this if we want a sparkling cider. And I like my cider sparkling. Cider is my favorite drink to consume and enjoy. And I decide, usually I put a teaspoon, but this is basically, you know, 1.5 teaspoons to give it a little bit sweeter taste. So I figure if you are a beginner here and you usually like your stuff a little sweeter, so I basically doubled what I usually put in there, which is 1 teaspoon, but I put 1/2 tablespoon per bottle this time. So we've primed the bottles, and next thing to do is bottling it up. So we'll be right back. When we go to bottle, we just basically, we got it primed. We fill it up to about 1 inch from the top. Put the top on. Make sure you keep the O-rings. Rinse and repeat. I like shaking it up a little bit. Now make sure you rinse your bottles out and clean them really well. Again, fill it up. And once you get, you know, toward the end, you may have to tip your bucket a little bit. And that's all. That's it. And then we'll be right back to wrap things up. That's how you bottle up that beginner wine made with nothing but ingredients and equipment I got from Walmart. It made 9 bottles and this little extra. It's still a little cloudy and still a little young, but you go ahead and get you a little taste if you want. So it is in the bottle for 2 weeks, and then after 2 weeks we're going in the refrigerator, because that will not stop the fermentation that kicked back up when we added more sugar, but it will slow it down. And that should be plenty enough time to enjoy your beverage before, you know, it gets too much carbonation, because it can go whoosh, and like half of your brew is gone, or even more than that, or you'd be sitting in the middle of the night, you hear something go tink, tink, tink. So after 2 weeks, get it in the refrigerator. If you like what you see here and you want to help support my channel, there'll be Amazon affiliate links in the description below. Click any of those, even if you don't need any equipment. If you click any of them and go about your average, normal Amazon shopping, you will help support this channel. And also a link in the description below to my Facebook group if you go ahead and join there, so we can build a community, swap tips, tricks. And this is Chris with Winemaker TV, and if you want to see some more, there'll be some playlist coming up right here. This is Chris with Winemaker TV. That's all there is today.